Hi guys, Dominic IRPINO here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're here to show you yet another new listing we have. We're at 827 West Bradley Place, Unit 2E. And we're really excited because we're gonna have an open house this weekend, Saturday, September 8th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So why don't you guys come on in and take a look. Check out this 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Here we go. Welcome. So you get such a great breeze coming through these 4 large windows that brings in so much natural light. You've got this open floor plan and the unit's in great shape. A lot of it's already been painted. So this large living room, plenty of space for a very large dining room table, and there's so much more that this condo offers. So come on, let's go take a look. There's plenty of countertops and cabinets in our kitchen. We've got upgraded stainless steel appliances, and it is open to your living room and dining room, which is a nice touch. Check out these countertops. And what's also great, guys, is you have in-unit washer and dryer, which is actually a laundry room instead of a stackable closet that you've heard me talk about in the past. I love laundry rooms. I love it when you can have your washer and dryer next to each other instead of it just being in a little closet. Heck, I'll take in-unit laundry regardless, but this is my favorite type, is when you can at least walk in a room to do your laundry and then have storage above it. Well, there's more. Come on. So here's our guest bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a bathtub. And it's recently been updated with a new countertop and faucet. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. You could use it as a bedroom or you could use it as an office. It was used as a bedroom for our client. And closets in every room. There's more, come on. You've got plenty of closets everywhere. This is the next bedroom. Nice good sized closet in here with an organizer. Beautiful ceiling fans throughout. Do you guys want to see the master suite? Come on, let's take a look. Check out this walk-in closet. It's gorgeous. Did I mention closets? They're all over the place. All right, here's the bathroom. So you have this very large tub, jacuzzi tub. You can have a party in there. Unbelievable. And you still have a shower as well. Beautiful master bathroom attached to the master bedroom, so it's called an ensuite. And you have double vanities, sinks, and faucets. Very large bathroom. Let's check out the master bedroom. Here we go. Beautiful. Plenty of space. You can have a huge bed, still plenty of furniture. Heck, you can have a desk over there if you wanted to. But there's more. There's more. It's a beautiful balcony off your master bedroom. And you can see the gate, it's secured parking. And we have two covered secured parking spots included in our sale. So guys, once again, we're at 827 West Bradley Place, Unit 2E. Our open house is coming up this Saturday, September 8th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the heart of Wrigleyville and Lakeview. Come check it out. Let us know if you have any questions, and hopefully we'll see you this Saturday. Dominic IRPINO with IRPINO Real Estate here. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.